Hello and welcome to my channel. So what is my channel all about? Well, basically it's a do-it-yourself channel. It's categorized into broad areas, and then underneath those areas are specific topics. It's about solving problems around the home using simple, pragmatic, and cost-effective methods to do that. And these topics and tutorials apply to home issues as well as hobbies. So I started this because when I was having problems and trying to fix them, I figured other folks might have the same issue. So for example, some of the broad areas I cover in my channel are model railroading. That's where the bulk of my videos are. In that topic, I've described reversing loops, track maintenance, scenery lighting, control panels, and also reviewing model railroad electrical devices such as switches and control panels that have a multitude of DCC capability. The second hobby that I'm interested in is ham radio. I've done videos on how to build a grounding box, how to produce and implement a perimeter ground. I've reviewed some antennas and how to set up a ham station. Another one that I have an interest in, another topic, is gardening. I've described how to build a seed starting oven, how to irrigate a square foot garden, how to make a collapsible cold frame to use in the garden, and various other gardening topics. The next specific topic is electronics. I've produced some tutorials on how to make a transistor switch, how to use an optocoupler, how I built up my electronics lab to minimize space, and how to do heat calculations when using semiconductors. So another topic I've been interested in is astronomy, and specifically how to build and take panoramic shots using an eclipse camera, and I've posted some actual videos. I'm interested in hearing what your comments are and what you're interested in this area and all the others as well. I went to the recent eclipse in northern Vermont. I went to the one in 2017 in Idaho. I took this camera that I built, and I'm going to do a video on how I built a panoramic camera. But anyway, I posted it, and I got 60 views in 7 years on the Idaho eclipse in 2017. This one, I did the same thing, used the same setup, the same motor, took panoramic view of the eclipse in 2024, and I got 750 views in 10 days. So I'm interested in what your comments are about this as well as my other topics. And lastly, I have some videos on miscellaneous gadgets and home improvement ideas, such as a lightning detector I built, some woodworking projects, and believe it or not, I had a video on a septic tank cover. When mine broke and it was getting quotes for $200 to $300 to replace a 30-inch diameter, 4-inch thick septic tank cover, I did a video on how to make one myself, and it was only $25–30. So I built one, and I showed you how to do that, and it's actually reinforced too. That one, believe it or not, got 19,000, almost 20,000 views. I'd also like to invite you to become a member of my channel, and as such you'll get certain perks such as priority response to your questions and comments. Also planning, and I have already started to put together a Facebook page on my channel, and there I will post documentation, and it'll be a members only site, and also I will post members only videos as well. So many times I do a project and I have some updates, but not enough to really do a whole video again, and so I put them in there. And for example, some of my tutorials, I will put the slides up there so you can see them. So you'll get added content by going to the Facebook page for my channel. So that's about it. I hope you will like and subscribe this video, and again, if you have any comments or suggestions for future projects and videos, please let me know. Thanks very much. Thanks for watching.